Hello everybody, on today's video we have this full air mattress with built-in electric pump. This comes with its own repair patches and a manual and includes a carry-in bag as well. This is also the queen size variant. This has an integrated electric pump that inflates and deflates the mattress in just about 3 minutes. Simple plug and twist operation with built-in cord storage that keeps everything nice and tidy. It has a non-slip noise reducing bottom. All you have to do is plug this thing out, turn it to inflate, set it, and you are all good to go. This has once again a built-in electric pump and inflates in about 3 minutes, and then you can lie on that and relax. This also has an advanced air honeycomb structure that evenly distributes weight, supports up to 650 pounds, and maintains shape throughout the night without that sagging effect at all. This thing is also made from heavy-duty, puncture-resistant construction and also made from thick 0.6mm PCV with reinforced seams to reduce stretching, air loss, and deformation for that long-lasting durability. It's got an elevated 18-inch design that makes it easier to get in and out of bed while keeping sleepovers off cold and hard floors. This thing deflates in just 3 minutes as well with the built-in electric pump. Just select deflate and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and voila, this thing has all the air out of it, where you can go ahead and pack this thing into the included carrier bag for closets or car trunks, no problem at all. And look how easy this thing rolls up. Once all the air is out of it, you can go ahead and place that in the bag, and it measures 75 by 54 by 18, comfortably sleeping 2 adults. Man, I'm telling you, every family household is gonna want the full air mattress with built-in electric pump. Thanks for watching.